Hello, my name is Mohammad Fawadul Haq. Today my topic is coping with change in software development. Handling evolving requirements. Change in software development is a constant factor and usually is driven by external influences such as new business needs, demands in the market, or technological changes. Such changes may significantly affect a project scope, timeline, and budget, and it is prudent to adopt strategies that allow for accommodating them easily. Strategies for managing change. To manage change effectively, we employ two strategies: anticipation of changes. Prototyping helps to anticipate probable changes and plan for the same. This keeps the requirements in front of the stakeholders. Number second is tolerance to changes. This is achieved by flexing the processes and using incremental development to reduce disruption and cost due to changes. Software prototyping. Prototyping is a way of developing an initial version of the system to elicit user feedback. This approach helps refine requirements and align expectations by either increasing or lessening them so that the chances of costly errors later in development diminish. It's valuable tool for expecting and addressing changes early. Incremental delivery. With incremental delivery, parts of the system are released in manageable stages, allowing users to interact with and provide feedback on functional components early. This iterative process not only improves user satisfaction but also enables team to refine the system incrementally, ensuring that it meets evolving needs. Thank you for watching.